Hi there, I'm John Shields, founder of Our Common Table. Welcome to Chesapeake Bites. Today we're talking about buttermilk. We use it in baking, you can drink with it, but how do you make it? Well, in Ireland, the way they do it, they call it sour milk. And they just take about 2 cups of fresh, whole, local milk, and they put in about 1 teaspoon, and that's for 2 cups. You're going to stir that around and then let it sit. You can put it in the refrigerator or whatever for 24, 48 hours and you made your own buttermilk. Well, how about those of you who might be vegan or you're lactose intolerant? We can take care of you too. I have some nice soy milk here. You could use almond milk, oat milk, whatever you like. And generally what I do with that, for each 1 cup, I take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So you take 1. I have 2 cups in here, so I got 1. I got 2. We're going to stir that around. Now this does not take 2 days. This is going to take probably about 20-30 minutes, and you will have buttermilk ready to go in all of your recipes, whether it's biscuits or it's muffins or maybe some Irish soda bread. So slán, and we'll see you next time on Chesapeake Bites.